Hi you guys. So today I got my Lush Kitchen August 2020 subscription box, and so now let me show you the things that came in it. There's a spoiler alert, which I'm glad to see this time around. So I'm going to take that away now so you can see what's in it. And so this card shows you we've got the Comforter body lotion, and it says community favorite. We've got Freeze shower gel. We've got Yoga Balm bath bomb, cream almond and coconut smoothie, and the Twilight solid perfume. And so now let me take this off so you can see there's creamed almond and coconut smoothie, the Comforter body lotion, and this Yoga Balm seems to be just an orange balm, but it's actually a rainbow of color inside. And the Freeze shower gel is very sweet and minty and a gorgeous color of blue, as you can see. Really pretty. So it's very minty and sweet and really refreshing. And exclusively only made ever for this particular Lush subscription box is the Sleepy solid perfume. And Lush has never made a solid sleepy perfume, and I was afraid that it would be melted because it's 98 degrees here today, and by some miracle it's not. It's in perfect condition. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video.